Imagine walking across a cold, open plain thousands of years ago. The wind moves through tall grass. In the distance, herds of massive animals slowly migrate across the landscape. Then suddenly, everything goes quiet. Hidden in the shadows, a powerful predator is watching. Two massive fangs slowly appear from the grass, each one nearly 7 inches long. This is the legendary Smilodon, better known as the saber-toothed tiger. For hundreds of thousands of years, this terrifying predator ruled the Ice Age. But what was life actually like for this prehistoric hunter? How did it survive? How did it hunt? And why did one of the most powerful predators in history suddenly disappear? The answers reveal a world far more dangerous than anything we see today. To understand the saber-toothed tiger, we need to travel back to the last Ice Age. This was a time when huge glaciers covered large parts of North America. The environment looked very different from today. Instead of cities and highways, the land was filled with enormous animals. Woolly mammoths wandered across frozen grasslands, giant ground sloths slowly moved through forests, and massive bison traveled in enormous herds. This world was known as the Pleistocene epoch. It was a land of giants, and the saber-toothed tiger was one of the most feared predators of them all. But despite its name, it wasn't actually a tiger at all. It belonged to a completely different branch of the cat family, a species built specifically for one purpose: taking down huge prey. At first glance, the saber-toothed tiger looked similar to modern big cats, but its body was very different. It had incredibly powerful front legs and a thick, muscular neck. Its build was closer to a bear-like powerhouse than a fast runner. Why? Because this predator didn't chase prey across long distances like modern lions. Instead, it relied on ambush hunting. It would hide in tall grass or behind trees, then suddenly launch a powerful attack. Once it grabbed its prey, those famous curved fangs came into play. Scientists believe the saber-toothed tiger used its long teeth to deliver a precise, deadly bite to the throat, ending the hunt quickly. But those enormous fangs also created a serious problem. They were fragile. If they broke, the animal could starve, which means every hunt had to be incredibly careful. The animals hunted by saber-toothed tigers were enormous. Some of their prey included giant bison, ancient horses, and even young mammoths. These animals could weigh thousands of pounds. Hunting them was extremely dangerous. One wrong move could result in broken bones or fatal injuries, which leads scientists to an interesting theory. Some researchers believe saber-toothed tigers may have hunted in groups, similar to lions. Fossil discoveries at La Brea tar pits revealed the remains of thousands of these predators. Many of the skeletons showed signs of healed injuries. This suggests injured individuals may have survived because other members of their group helped provide food. If true, it would mean saber-toothed tigers were more social than we once believed. But the Ice Age was full of predators. The saber-toothed tiger wasn't alone. It competed with other dangerous hunters like the dire wolf and the American lion. Each predator had its own strategy for survival. Dire wolves hunted in large packs. American lions relied on speed and strength. And the saber-toothed tiger specialized in powerful ambush attacks. Every hunt was a battle for survival, and sometimes predators fought each other for food. The Ice Age ecosystem was incredibly competitive. Only the strongest hunters survived, but even the most powerful predators couldn't escape what was coming next. Around 12,000 years ago, the Ice Age began to end. The climate started warming, glaciers slowly melted, and the giant animals that dominated the landscape began disappearing. Many of the saber-toothed tiger's main prey species went extinct. At the same time, a new and highly intelligent hunter appeared: humans. Early humans began spreading across North America. They hunted many of the same animals as saber-toothed tigers. This created intense competition for food. With fewer prey animals and new competition from humans, the saber-toothed tiger's survival became increasingly difficult. Slowly, their populations declined, and eventually, one of the most iconic predators in Earth's history vanished forever. Even though the saber-toothed tiger disappeared thousands of years ago, it remains one of the most famous prehistoric animals ever discovered. Its massive fangs and powerful build make it one of the most unique predators evolution ever created. Scientists continue studying fossils to understand exactly how these animals lived, and every new discovery helps us better understand the incredible world of the Ice Age. But perhaps the most fascinating question is this: If the climate had stayed the same, would saber-toothed tigers still be roaming the earth today? The life of a saber-toothed tiger was brutal. Every day was a fight for survival, hunting giant prey, competing with deadly predators, and surviving a constantly changing world. For thousands of years, they ruled the Ice Age. But in the end, even the most powerful predator couldn't outrun extinction. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about incredible extinct animals and prehistoric worlds, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And tell me in the comments, if saber-toothed tigers still existed today, do you think humans could survive alongside them? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.